Okay, so I just got out of bed, and now I'm doing the Volvo lighter test for this. This is probably the last thing I'm gonna record on this camera for definite future. I literally waited until like I pretty much like only got out of bed just so I could make this recording, and yeah, I'll do the zoom in real quick again. I cannot fucking see the screen at all. Electricity was like out, and a few hours later it came on. Like I noticed because my fans were all off, and I was like, no, and I had a really hard time falling back asleep. But yeah, and of course when I finally got used to it, I was laying there partially awake, and the electricity came on, so my fans were just going full blast, and I was like, no, now there's all the noise. I'll do another zoom demonstration, something different. The zoom looks really bad. Something I could probably do with this camera. This camera has 3 quality options. It has 1920 by 1080, which looks like shit. It has, I'm recording in 1280 by 720, which also looks bad. But it can record in 640 by 480 or some shit like that. And that doesn't look, from the test footage I saw, it doesn't look too bad, or at least it's not very laggy. Also, something about this camera is there's like that yellow and purple dot whenever you zoom in. That I don't know why they're a thing, but yeah. And let's look over here and be like, oh, it's too bright to really notice the difference in the light being on or off. Of course, I can't really do multiple video takes with this and do different things because this camera records an AVI, which for some reason